As previously stated, on-site services may include variants. Here, we will explain how to set them up in the back office. First, we must access the address admin.mysodexo.app. I enter my credentials and select the restaurants that I want to manage in the Restaurants option. Then, I select the IFM on the side menu and click on Services. Now I choose the service that I want to modify, for example, drink refill, and I click on Add Variant. For each variant, I must add a name, offer a service, and specify how it's done. For example, fill cups. I must also add a specific name for each variant. For example, paper cups, glass cups, or plastic cups. I eventually must indicate the total or percentage cost of the complementary variant to the service. A plastic cup, for example, can cost about 50 cents, while a plastic one can cost 20 cents, and a glass cup will cost $1. Then I indicate the values, a minimum and a maximum, which are used to set up the amount that the users can choose. If I type 1 at minimum and 1 at maximum, the users can only have one variant. If I write instead at least 0 at minimum and the most of the numbers of the benefits at maximum, in this case it will be 3, the users can select all of them. Then I click on Save Variants. The variants appear directly into the scheme to order the internal food services of the MySodexo app. To better understand how it works, we will do a small simulation. We enter the session dedicated to the on-site services of the MySodexo app. Here we choose the service we want, in this case drink refill, and we click on Order. Here we can see all the variants dedicated to the service. In the case of the glass material, we had to place at least 1 at minimum and 1 at maximum. Therefore, we can only choose one option from the available ones. Then you can choose if you want it in a plastic, glass, or paper cup, but you cannot choose all the 3 at the same time. The same goes for the dimensions of the glass. You can only select a small, medium, or large one. Regarding the additional elements, on the other hand, as we indicated, at least 0 and maximum 4, all the available options will be selectable. So you can select whether you want glass jars, what type of cutlery do you want, whether you want sugar cubes or cup holders. You can select the ones you want, all or none.